Hey. Today we're in the monkey verse. I have my friend Monkey Malice.
I am Ice Monkey!
Bruh.
But I will be Monkey Malice.
Yes, he's gonna be Monkey Malice.
Monkey.
So we're trying to make it funny. So basically, we're gonna act like the mirror's a portal. I'm gonna cut the video. It's gonna teleport us to a random Gorilla Tag fan game. So it's like, you know, the monkey verse.
I'm
So yeah.
opening a portal.
All right, let's go in. It's a spawn right here. It's a spawn right here. Yeet. Okay. Well,
wait,
yeah, I guess
we
we're
need
done.
it.
What is it?
In. Pull up. What does that say? We need it in Koala Rush. I'm opening a portal.
Okay, where is
and
it?
we were just about to shop for cosmetics. The portal has been opened.
Where is it?
Hold up, it's not opening yet. There it is. Right there. Let's go.
Alright. Oh, I see it now. Alright. Let's go. Whoa.
Well,
I guess we're in koala. Wait, are we koalas?
Yeah, the portal changed us a little bit.
Okay.
What are you holding?
Why am I holding a Fat Joe?
Oh, there's a warning on it. Let's see it. Warning. This Fat Joe is hotter than
Don't
your
even
mom.
read it! No. I don't like it with that
Kinda rainy.
warning. Yeah, it is kind of rainy. Actually, no, it's not.
Wait. It was just a second ago. Oh, I can't swim.
You can't. Are you drowning? I'm saving you.
I don't know how this universe's water works.
I don't
can't move.
either.
I can't move. Help me, Wavy.
I'm stuck. Monkey Malice? Where are you? Oh, there you are.
I am the Malice Mamurals.
Shop? They have a. Hey, let's go check out this. What's in here?
Yeah, we are needed here for some reason.
Yeah. Whoa. Who is this guy?
Sir?
What's his name? Oh, his name's Joe? Oh, hello, Joe.
Bro!
Why are you selling sticks, bro?
It's a Fat Joe!
You know, every koala can just go outside and take a branch off a tree. Or a stick. Will you sell bananas? Where is the banana? Yo, where did you go?
I think I figured out why they needed us.
Why?
The TV is broken! And my watch is gone. How are we gonna get out of here?
Well, obviously my Fat Joe can't fix it. Let me just take a bite. Let me try to turn it
How
off.
hot is it?
Turn it on.
How hot is the Fat Joe, and where
It
can
just
I get
got
one?
even hotter because I put it in the TV. But
Well, I'm gonna see if I can go buy one.
okay. Ugh.
Warning.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean,
Bro, I got me a Fat Joe.
oh nice. I've never actually trained to do this. I didn't even sign up for this. They just told us to come. They messaged us on Discord.
You got water?
What? Yeah, I got water.
You got...
Oh, that's why. The FPS is bad. I think they just need better internet. Alright, let me
Give me
go
the
try
water.
them. I got you. Let me get the water. Let me get the water. Here. Alright, let's go.
This fat Joe is
Hey.
better than your mom.
Joe! I know why your TV's not broken. I mean, why it is broken. Your internet sucks. Your FPS is only 72. You just need better internet. Anyways, come on, let's go, Zach.
We gotta find out how to get out of here anyway.
Yeah, because you lost your
closed.
lock.
And the portal closed.
Portal did get closed.
All I have is a fat Joe. And
You know what? There's an upstairs. How do we get? Oh, from this tree, I think.
You know what? I'm gonna deal with it. I'm hungry. Give me a fat Joe.
Wait a minute. Maybe this.
Wait, hold up. I see something that could be good.
Wait a minute.
No,
This
we'll
might
try
be the
that
way
too.
out. Wait a minute. I don't. How am I supposed to know what this means? I'm a koala. Alright, let's go through.
Hold up. This isn't the way out.
Really?
I have a weapon now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Maybe we just gotta fight to the death and then we'll go back.
Hold up. I did see a way that could be like an exit.
Where?
Follow me.
What is it? Wait, is it
Good,
those
Fat
vents
Joe.
over there?
Yeah, it's a vent.
Oh, maybe the exit.
How will we open it though?
I don't know.
There's an open button.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Close it. Close it.
What's in here? Cameras? They have cameras?
Cams.
Yeah. But what is
Wait,
down
I
here?
can't get in there. Maybe there
Did
could be
they-
a portal somewhere.
I know that dude. Hey, they took J-Man Curly's head off. Hey, where are you? They took J-Man's head off. Dude, they took J-Man's head off.
I can reach in there. I can reach through the glass.
Dude, but bro.
We do have to get out of here.
Yeah, where are you? Oh, yeah. Did you see they took off J-Man Curly's head?
It was probably one of the clones.
Yeah. I mean, wait, why did it click close? Okay, open. Now I'm going to close
Ooh,
it.
what's in here? How do we open this one?
Huh.
I don't think there's a way, actually.
Yeah. Maybe it's just for, like, the air,
It doesn't
but...
even make any sound.
I know, but why do we need air? We're outside. Anyways, wait a minute. This might be the way out. You see over there?
Uh-huh.
Let's go.
The Fat Joe's good.
Yeah, it is good. This might be the way out. You ready to go? Alright.
Yeah, let's go.
I think it's a portal made for us. I think your watch and Gorilla Tag set this portal for us. But let's go. In 3, 2...
I can feel something in another world.
What is it?
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Oh. Ah, what is this game?
Where are we? Wait, hold up. What am I
What
doing?
What is on my hand?
Hey, you. Monkey. Wait, there's other monkeys.
Wait a minute. Why can I
don't know where we
fly?
went.
I'm swimming in the air.
You had the mod stick.
What is that?
Well, getting out of here should be easy.
Yeah. What's in here? Ah, I just got flung. That rude monkey. Where did my friend go now? Maybe in here.
Oh my god.
Hello No, guys, I actually don't know where he just went. Oh, I see him. No, he just went up. I'm pretty sure that's him. Let me go back up. Bro, I think he just went back down. I'm gonna just wait up for him. Wait up here. I am right here. Hello?
Hello, my monkey brother.
I thought I lost you for a second. Hello, other monkey.
He keeps staring at me.
I got 750 bananas.
How do you think we can get out of here?
I don't know.
The giant J-Man. Giant J-Man wants us.
Hey, follow me. Let's try to find a way out.
The giant J-Man.
It's giant J-Man curly head? They cut it off in this game too? My fellow monkey. Do you know any way how we can get out?
No, I don't know any way to get back. I do see a hole that we could try going through.
Let's try.
Come here, you monkey. Come here.
Whoa! Why did I just get flung? Is that person just hit me with his hammer? Let me go through that. Sorry, I just got flung by someone that had a hammer and he smacked me. Oh, I think this is the way out. Whoa.
Sorry.
Wait a minute. I also did hear on the Gorilla Tag
What if we
computer.
go into this balloon thing up here?
If you're in Monkey, like, if you have somewhere where you can, like, fly,
You can get us out.
if you eat one of these blue rocks, you, like, fall asleep. Where the heck are my arms?
Wait, where are our arms?
Well,
Who's this guy?
actually- Wait. Yeah, who is that guy? Wait a minute. Wait a second. Bruh. Wait a minute. That looks creepy. Bruh.
I don't think we should go there.
No.
Maybe we could check out if there's anything that we could use to get home in the shop.
Maybe down here?
I'm gonna look in the shop just to make sure there's
Alright.
nothing that we can use to get home.
Alright, I'm looking down
because
here.
I want to go home.
Oh. Is this like a portal? Where are you? Hello? Are you here? Jesus. What does this say? Back. Dude, if you go down that hole, there's another portal you go through. It's scary down there. It like teleports you to another room. Where is this? Hello?
Hello?
Oh, bro, that hole I
Follow
went
me.
into, and it's actually crazy
Press
down
this.
there.
It will do something for you.
What is this down here? What is this? What happened? think he died. I'm gonna have to do this on my own. Okay. Alright. Oh, a portal. What is this? What? Bro, that's weird. Bro, like, what if I jump through it? Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video back in Gorilla Time. But his Oculus died. Alright. But yes. My boy Zach. If you are seeing this video, thanks for helping me with it. If any of my subscribers want to be in a video, just comment me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.
I'm a monkey. Do not touch me with